Hi everyone, we're going to solve each absolute value function. We have 1 and 2. So for the first one, if our A part here is positive, we're looking at the definition of absolute values. So if 1/3 x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0, then you just write it like 1/3 x plus 3 equals 0. Basically, you're just copying this down without the absolute value signs. Okay, if it's negative, that means, so if this value is negative, that means that's negative 1/3 x plus 3 equals 0. So, let's solve for this side. We have subtract 3 from both sides. You get 1/3 x equals negative 3. And then let's multiply both sides by 3. Multiply that by 3, that by 3. That cancels. You get x equals negative 9. That's one solution. And for this one, this is really negative 1/3 x minus 3 equals 0. So negative 1/3 x equals 3 when you add 3 to both sides. Here we subtracted 3. All right. And then multiply both sides by negative 3 because we want our x positive. So this will cancel and you'll get x equals negative 9. So you only have one solution. And that makes sense because we have a 0 here. Now the next problem, what usually happens with my students is they start working on this. But bottom line is there's nothing you can put in here that will give you that. You can never get a negative. So anytime you take the absolute value of something, it has to, absolute value of A is A, and absolute value of positive A is A. Again, positive, the absolute value of negative A is A, and absolute value of A is A. So there's nothing like this. The reason I put this on the video, so there's no solution, is because that was on a PSAT exam. I saw that on the PSAT exam, so I just wanted to make sure that you can never have a negative here because it doesn't make sense by definition of absolute value. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.